Shifting our focus to Karnataka, where the High Court has rejected a petition from Chief Minister Siddaramaiah that challenged Governor Thawarchand Gehlot's approval for prosecution against him in the Mysuru Urban Development Authority scam case. According to the Governor, there was no fault. According to the High Court, I beg your pardon, there was no fault in Governor's action of granting permission for investigation independently, exercising his power, and that Governor could take an independent decision and that Mr. Gehlot did apply his mind in abundance. There is therefore no fault in the Governor's actions as far as the order to prosecute the Chief Minister is concerned. Let's go across to my colleagues. Pinky is joining us from outside the CM's residence. We have Imran as well. Let's first go across to Pinky. Pinky, what does this mean as far as Siddaramaiah is concerned? What's going to happen next?
Well, absolutely. We are right outside the CM's residence and the DCM has just reached his residence. Clearly a major setback for the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah as his petition challenging Governor Thawarchand Gehlot's decision to sanction his prosecution in alleged MUDA case. Clearly a big setback and all the ministers right now seem to be reaching. But what next is a big question. The CM residence sources, clearly say that an appeal can be made to the larger bench, against the decision that has come up today. So what will happen next is completely into, the ball will be in the court right now, because what decision the larger bench will take, that remains to be seen. But clearly tomorrow or the day after, CM is all set, to challenge this particular order that has come up today. Will be challenged in the larger court and also People's Representatives Court. One copy that will reach today. Again, another appeal will be made to, stop this hearing until the a judgment from the larger bench comes up. So clearly, right now, CM's residence, there's a lot of actions that is taken place where all the ministers right now seem to be reaching. The DCM has also, DK Shivkumar has just reached his residence, and a clear, what next is in fact being discussed, and what remains to be seen is that what the next larger bench, will pronounce as far as the order is concerned. Back to you.
Right, Pinky, stay on with us. Legally speaking, the battle will continue because that's what we're picking up. Now this will be challenged in the top court, in the Supreme Court. We have Imran as well. Politically speaking as well, the Congress will have to prepare a strategy.
Well, absolutely. At the moment, they are saying that they are backing the Chief Minister over this issue. But we have to see how things play out in the next couple of hours and couple of days. Because this is a setback for the Chief Minister, as the court has allowed an investigation to be done by the Governor's sanction for investigation. Now, the issue is about who will investigate, whether Chief Minister sitting will be under it. The BJP is saying it cannot be a fair probe unless he steps down and gives way for another one. How much the opposition builds pressure on the Congress government, we have to wait and see whether the High Command takes that, comes under pressure and changes the...
That means transaction hua, then it was developed by the MUDA, and some of the sites were also allocated the पब्लिक एट लार्ज मीन्स जो भी उधर अप्लाई किया था सामान्य नागरिक, आम नागरिक, मैसूर के नागरिक, उनको अलॉटमेंट भी किया था. आफ्टर दैट इट वाज डिनोटिफाइड एंड इट वाज ट्रांसफर्ड. दिस इज ए ह्यूज स्कैम एंड विदाउट political influence or the people who are in power, without their interference, it can't happen. And that is to land belongs to originally land belongs to ASC. तो इसलिए मैं मुख्यमंत्री को आग्रह करता हूं, आई स्ट्रांगली अर्ज चीफ मिनिस्टर शुड रिजाइन इमीडिएटली एंड इन्वेस्टिगेशन शुड बिगिन. एंड ऑल्सो आई डिमांड फॉर द इन्वेस्टिगेशन बाय द CBI. This is what I want to say, nothing more to add.
So Mr. DK Shivakumar has come out and really defended Siddaramaiah. He said Siddaramaiah will come clean. Is Mr. DK Shivakumar, how do you think he's observing the situation?
He comes clean means he has also in a way approved that there should be investigation.
The Congress has also alleged that the governor is being biased.
The governor, these people were alleging that governor is biased. As I initially itself made my remark, the governor they tried to threaten the governor. But now the court has given verdict. Whether do they have belief in the court or not? They should clarify that. इन्होंने क्या बोला था, गवर्नर है नॉट अप्लाइड द माइंड, गवर्नर को अथॉरिटी नहीं है, गवर्नर पार्टिजान मैनर में एक्ट किया है, ये सब देखते हुए पूरा हियरिंग करते हुए कोर्ट ने वर्डिक्ट दिया है. और सुप्रीम कोर्ट का भी कई इसमें जो पहले का रूलिंग वगैरह है, केस लॉज वगैरह है, ये सब उधर दिया गया है. ऑन दैट बेसिस ओनली हाई कोर्ट हैज एक्टेड.
You think there will be further problems for the Congress party if there is a constitutional crisis with the Chief Minister resigning? Because, you know, who wants to become the next Chief Minister?
No, that is, I have made n number of times clear that BJP and state BJP and national BJP, we never want that the entire Congress government should be toppled. We do not have any of such intention. Let them choose their own leader and let any person from the Congress person can become the Chief Minister. We don't have any problem. They are saying that we are trying to destabilize the government. No, we are not going to intervene in that. We are not going to touch that. We are not interested to do that. What they tell is last time आपको क्या हुआ था? Your number was 68. And then also you formed the government with the JDS. And your own MLA, they were not happy with the having joined with the JDS. Actually, mandate was given to us. We were 104, just less than by 8 MLAs. At that time, we had a moral authority to form the government. We formed, and this time people have given them in 23 clear mandate to the Congress party, and let Congress continue. But Siddaramaiah cannot continue.
Sir, considering your demand, but it is also Congress hasn't come clean on whether Siddaramaiah will step down or not. It is assumed that Siddaramaiah is not going to step down. What is your plan B? How will you generate pressure on CM?
No, one is question of morality. Congress High Command, which speaks of so much of morality, though they are never moral, they have never shown any moral commitment to the country. But nowadays, Mr. Rahul Gandhi and many others, they are speaking on the moral grounds. What do they want to say? When Ramakrishna Hegde was there, just on allegation he resigned. Mr. Yediyurappa, when sanction was given, he resigned. And then legal luminary, the so-called legal luminary, Hamsaraj Bharadwaj was the chief governor. Then Yediyurappa ji resigned. And if the Congress doesn't want to resign, then there will be, of course, as a political party, we will agitate. That is a different issue. But at the same time, whether it is morally right, let Mr. Rahul Gandhi reply.
The Congress party has always maintained that, you know, the beneficiaries of MUDA land allocations are from different parties. So if you go back to the last 20 years...
Let them go. No, I have told them many times. See, many things after this MUDA and Valmiki scam, which has specifically come out, and Chief Minister, he himself has agreed that there is a scam in the Valmiki. From those days, they are trying to talk about, they are trying to threaten us, saying that we will bring out the scams done during the BJP government. Who has told you not to do it? Who has prevented you? You can do it. I have said many times that you can do. मैंने ये भी कहा था, तो 2007-8 के एक इन्होंने कुमार स्वामी का विषय निकाला है, 2007-8 का एक येडियुरप्पा जी का भी विषय निकाला है. तब मैंने कहा था, तो ठीक है, येडियुरप्पा जी का और कुमार स्वामी जी का और किसी लोगों का ऐसे आप निकाल रहे हैं. 2013 से 18 तक कौन हु वाज देयर इन द पावर इन कर्नाटका, एंड 2019 में हाथ पांव पड़ के, पांव छू के कुमार स्वामी के लोग के मुख्यमंत्री कौन बनाया? आपका यादगार अगर जागृत हो रहा है तो अलग बात है, लेकिन हु मेड द चीफ